going to show you how to take it off. So this is in vacuum. I make sure that this one is closed. I'll show you how to open it in the future. And I'm going to turn this on anti-clockwise, so I'm going to fill it up with gas. You can hear the sound. And I'm going to turn on the nitrogen gas from here. Again anti-clockwise to turn it on. Until it vibrates, then I know that it's at atmospheric pressure. Right. You can hear the sound is vibrating. Then I'm going to turn it off. Okay. So, and then I will use this screwdriver. Just lightly, no need to really do it very hard. This one actually got pressed by air pressure, because when it's vacuum, the air atmospheric pressure you will press. When we put it back, you don't need to tighten it, right? So now you don't need to tighten much, right? So here you see that this is the chamber, and this is the radiation shield. This is important for low temperature measurement, but not for room temperature. But again, I need to take this off, right? When you take this off, try to push downward a little bit so the screw won't come out. It's designed in a way that it won't come out. But if you don't push a little bit, sometimes it may come out, and that will mess up everything, because your screw may drop to the side and then it's difficult to get it. So push a little bit, but not too hard. Okay. So I unscrew all of them. Then I'm going to take it out. As you can see, like this. Right. And there's some vacuum gears here to ensure thermal conductivity, which is not important now as we are doing room temperature. So now you can see here, right? Our goal is to rotate. So if you don't have the chip, you will put in the chip, right? But now I have the chip already, but I need to rotate it by 90 degrees because I know that I did not put it right. Just now we look at the microscope. We know that it is like this. So we'll try to measure this chip today. And try not to talk when you open, but I'm talking, so your saliva won't go in. So again, you see, we can take this opportunity to look at the probe tips, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are RF probe. We don't touch it easily. We don't use it. These are more DC to 1 gigahertz. And so we have that in place. We have other chip, but we are not measuring. Now I'm going to put this back. So again, when you put this back, first align with the screw, the hole, and then use the same screwdriver. Always get it right. So now you do it anti-clockwise. This one, don't make it too tight. You might break it. Just enough. Just let it touch. Right? You can feel that. So. Or can you pause it? Done. So same for this one. Now I put this back, right? Again, this is just push a little bit lightly. That will be enough. Just lock it, right? Because we're relying on the air atmospheric pressure to push it. Just pause it. Ready? So in principle, you don't need to put it in vacuum, but we want to do that because this one is used for cryogenic. We want to keep it at vacuum. Whenever it is not used, to avoid moisture or etc. So I'm going to close this one clockwise, always clockwise when we try to close something, right? And then I'm going to turn on the pump so that it will pump through there. Okay, so this is connected to a pump, right? If you go down, you will see that it's connected to this pump. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I need to turn on the valve so they are connected, right? So I write again, anti-clockwise. You can hear the sound, right? And then you need to go here, and then here is a button, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the switch, right? So it goes, then you will turn on. Okay, then I will just keep it running, and here you will see the reading on this side, this side. Look at here, from my side. Yeah, you will see the reading of the pressure. Okay. Yeah. Then you will go through a few process, turbo pump, and then I don't know the name. I forgot the name. But anyway, then we'll turn this on. Okay, great. So now let's go back, right, to look at this structure that we have. So here, this microscope, you can move like this to move it in this direction. Okay, here. And then you just rotate it. We don't use it much. That's why we just use this method. Okay. Now, so my goal, and here you can zoom out. First off, this one. Do you see this 3, 4? This one, right? This is the one to zoom out, and then you see the chip that we are working on. Okay, and then you can zoom in. Right? When you zoom in, you need to refocus it. Use this one to refocus, right? And so now it is focused, right? So we have 2 transistor, resistor, one pad and another pad, and the label is on top. That's what we want, right? But again, we cannot see the label because of the magnification problem. So this is correct. Okay, can you pause it?